welcome to the Teaching Corner. My name is Mama Norris and we've been doing a college series. So today I'd like to talk to you about some ready-made foods that you can eat while you're in college. If you're living on campus as a freshman, you probably have a food plan, and so this might not apply to you, but if you're living off campus or maybe only have so many swipes, there may be some meals that you have to eat on your own. And so here are some things that you may or may not think of when you're going to the store to purchase that you can eat as ready-made meals. And I tried to include things that you could eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So first of all, you can always have cereal with your milk, whatever kind of milk you drink, you can have that. Another thing that you can do for breakfast is, like, Carnation makes these instant things where you just add it to milk, so you could have that. You could also have yourself a cup of yogurt. You could have a bagel with cream cheese. All of these require zero cooking. This is literally in your fridge. You just pull it out and you eat it. You could do something like crackers with hummus. You could also use vegetables to dip in your hummus. Along with that, you can get, carrots or the little tomatoes or a cucumber and just dip that in your favorite dressing. You could do granola if you wanted to. Grabbing a bag of chips and salsa is a quick and easy way to get you a few more veggies. If you're looking for vegetables and say you don't have cutting boards and knives, you can get the pre-packaged salads, and that'll help you get some more vegetables in your diet. Any fruit at all is ready to eat. You just wash it and you can eat it. So bananas, apples, pears, oranges, grapes, any of your berries, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, any of those are really healthy and good for you. Something else that you can also do is pre-packaged foods, like you could do cookies or chips or crackers, but something like this that has a little bit of protein because of the peanut butter in it. You can get ready-made muffins if you want to. You could do any kind of crackers that you want to eat. I know you guys are a little bit old for Lunchables, but you could pick up a Lunchable if you have no other way to cook for yourself. Something else that you can do is a protein bar, especially if you're an athlete. Don't forget to get plenty of protein or granola bars. Another way to get quick fruit is applesauce or the little cups of fruit that you can get. You can make your own trail mix. Trail mix is something great. Just grab yourself some nuts and some dried fruit. You could also, if you're interested in doing freeze-dried fruit, you could do something like that. You could do beef jerky. Get yourself a loaf of bread and you can make yourself sandwiches. A quick and easy one is just to do peanut butter and jelly. I really like to do peanut butter and banana. There's loads of options. You could also do meat and cheese. If you want to be super fancy, you can do lettuce and tomato. All of those just keep in your fridge and are ready to eat. Something else you can do is pudding. I didn't have the little pudding cups, but those are ready to eat. Or this, all you have to do is add milk and set it in your fridge. And then if you're looking for a little bit more protein, this is not quite in the ready to eat form, but they do sell the little pouches of tuna that have all the ingredients that you can use for it. Or you can just add mayonnaise, mustard, and relish to this and then have yourself a little bit more protein. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, if you do have food insecurity, if you are living off campus and you don't have enough money to afford these types of foods and you don't have a meal plan, that most colleges or universities will have a food pantry that you can go to. The college my son is going to, he can go every 14 days if he needed to, but they do have a food pantry, or local churches, or find out if there's a food pantry in your area. And also, lots of things on campus involve food. So if you're not able to purchase meals or purchase the things that you need, please don't go hungry. Reach out and get what you need, because you need those 3 meals a day. You need the substance so that you can do well in school, study hard, and get good grades. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.